Welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You just need to go to settings, and from here you just need to go to sounds and vibration. Now scroll down and here you'll find separate app sound. Tap on it, and from here you can just simply tap on turn on now. If you want to turn on the separate app sound, then simply tap on select to add the apps on this list that you can use to add some separate notification sounds or separate app sounds. Like here, I have only 5 apps for default. I can add apps from also if I want to add it from my app section, so I can just simply tap on it and it will add to this list like this. And I want to add Facebook like this, and if you want to add another or more application, then simply tap on it, and here you just need to simply choose this audio device. For example, I'm going to choose my phone. Now as you can see, I have just added these 5 application on my phone for this audio device for the separate app sound, and it will now turn on. It is now turned on my device. So if I want to turn off the separate app sound, then simply tap on this toggle button and it will turn off separate app sound on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.